Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you are visiting my channel, make sure to hit that red subscribe button. In earlier videos, we saw how we can work with different types of collections in Python. If we want to construct a new list, we can construct it by looping over a list. Let's see an example. Let's say we have a numbers list with elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we want to create another list which has these numbers multiplied by 2. For that, we can loop over each element of this list and create a new list with each element multiplied by 2. Let's first create an empty list, result. Now we can write a for loop for number in numbers, result.append number multiplied by 2. Now if we check the value of the result, it has these elements. Each of them are multiplied by 2. We could achieve the same thing using list comprehension, which is an elegant way of writing such expressions. In real life, many Python developers prefer list comprehension over this kind of loop iteration because it's cleaner and it's just one line of code. Basically, in list comprehension, we iterate through each element like for number in numbers, just like we did earlier on. Now we want to get each number multiplied by 2. In list comprehension, whatever we want is written before we iterate through the list. So number multiplied by 2 for number in numbers. And we wrap it in a square bracket to create a list. Again, the expression we want is written first, and then we loop over the iterable. We could also filter some of the elements using if condition at the end. So let's imagine that we want to get only the elements those are greater than 4. In that case, we can write if expression at the end, and now we get back list with numbers greater than 4 only. We can also create set using comprehensions. At the moment, in our source list, we don't have any duplicates. Let's add a number that's already present so that we can have some duplicates. Let's append 3 to numbers list. Now we can write the same expression, but we have to replace the square brackets with curly braces. Number multiplied by 2 for number in numbers. And it returns a set without any duplicates. We can also create a dictionary like this. We already know that dictionaries also use curly braces and they need key value pairs. So we have to create a key and a value. For value, we will keep the same expression, but for key, if we use formatter string to append key string to the number, it will create keys like this. If you had to do manually, it would be very tedious. You would write something like this. You would first declare an empty dictionary. Let's assign it to result variable. Then you would loop over numbers. For number in numbers, in each iteration, you would add a key value pair to the dictionary like this. Result with a key of key and a number, and the value will be number multiplied by 2. Finally, if you print result, we get the same result. These are comprehensions in Python. I hope this video was informative for you, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, post it in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video.